Hi and welcome to Quirky Craft, and today we are not doing craft. Instead we're doing my craft room, which is this room here. So it doesn't look much like a craft room right now. As you can see, there's like paint all over the walls there. It looks, we were testing out colors there. That I'm just cleaning out a paintbrush. But this room used to be like our catch-all, our storage room. So since we're still remodeling the house a little bit, we needed this one done because my stuff is strung all over the place. It's in the office, it's in the living room, it's in the dining room and the kitchen in there. So it's like every room but the bathrooms. And I need a place to put my stuff. So I also have an Etsy store, and with an Etsy store you have inventory. With inventory you have to create it, and in order to create it you have to have the supplies to do it. So I have a lot of stuff. So what these are just, I'll just give you this one because I don't want to give too much away. But what this is just like a rough idea of what's gonna go here. This is not set in stone, but it's just an idea. But yeah, this is approximately what's gonna be here. So I'm not gonna give you too much of what's gonna go on in here. Instead, this video is gonna be a little bit different. As this progresses, I'm gonna do like little snippets of it. And if you want to see the remodel, you can go to Realistic Renovations and Refinishings, and you can see how everything's done there, like beginning to end. And I'll take snippets from everything that we do, and I'll just be the episodes that will be on this channel. So that's what we're gonna do for that. There will be a couple builds. Now I had a request for the hammerhead that's in my bedroom, where we did the turtle one on this channel, and I'll link that, but we're gonna have 2 builds on R3. So stay tuned for that. It's not necessarily a crafting, it's more of a, like a home decor. And one of them is gonna go up there. Sorry, my screen went black, but it's gonna go up there. So yes, every single room has this god-awful popcorn ceiling. That's not gonna be scraped off. We have something for that. Yes, this is the original colors of the wall when we moved in. This nasty, gross, disgusting tan. And what else am I gonna tell you? Oh, and this will be totally renovated too. These will be gone, I'll tell you that much. These will be gone. And you can kind of see little tidbits. We're gonna have that in here. But yeah, everything that you see is like all this stuff. That's everything that we need, minus the canvas, but everything that we need to complete this room, with the exception of a few other supplies for the ceiling. And yeah, I think that's gonna be about it. So yeah, I'll post the videos as I get them done on Wednesday. Just, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you don't miss any post notifications. And I do appreciate you taking the time and looking at my videos. Please leave some comments and give me some ideas, because, I kind of desperately need some ideas for crafting. That would be great to see what you guys want to see me try and do. That's always good. If you want to see a build that is in our house that we don't have a video on, such as like a hammerhead, you can do a request for that. Or the lobster crate, you can do a request for, because I know the lobster video is doing so well. I'd like to see what you guys' input is. So please leave a comment down below. And thank you for watching. Bye.